Hello dear traders. For today's analysis I decided to cover the British pound versus US dollar and gold. So I will start first with the British pound versus US dollar, speak about this morning and overall the structure on the longer frames, what I'm seeing. So I will start with the longer time frames first. On the daily time frame, we got basically 3 down days after the one big up day that happened in like 4 days ago. This was a big up day on April 19th with a big up day, and then the price pool needed time to correct and went like 2 to 3, almost actually 3 days in the down cycle. And today we see that the buyers starting to starting to load their long positions, probably in the similar zone when they're loaded for that big up day, which makes sense. Probably they exit on the top, and the price that enabled the price to go downside. But once we hit again that zone around 1.3830, then the buyers again. We see today that there is a intraday upside trend so far. So I'm expecting here that today or in the next days we might revisit the high, yesterday's high at 1.3940 zone. So that's what basically on the daily time frame there is a potential for the rally today going further. Watching the 2-hour time frame, I found that there is a potential completion of the ABC. This is a type of the correction which is pretty common to find on the market, which is basically this A, B, and C, and making this like a zigzag pattern at the end of the corrective phase. And it makes sense because if you place the Fibonacci tool, and I will go and show you Fibonacci extension tool. Take this, and take this, and just show you that there is a like 100% of this expansion reached exactly there where we made the bottom. So the play here is to basically try to go long an intraday, eventually place the stop to be at the 1.3820 or so, and then see if this swing can develop into the further rally, and eventually target 1.3955 and this main pivot high at 1.4. On the intraday frames, if you go to the 15-minute time frame, you'll find out that there is a rising trend line so far. You can place a rising trend line, and you can find out that we have a good momentum on this upside movement. That also upside movement confirmed the breakout of this very mini consolidation that we got during the Tokyo session. So I still do expect that there is a potential for the rally. Do will have maybe the ABC move like this and then potential up, or we'll just go for this pullback and then we still continue more upside. We'll find out, but I do expect, and I will suggest you to watch for buying opportunities on the dips on this currency pair. On the gold, on the other side, I also expect further rally. It's something that I suggest also in my previous forecastings. I see today is pretty flat, but there is some good conditions that we got from the past, right? We got a very well controlled downside channel, like a pretty corrective one, and we got a breakout and we got follow through out of that consolidation, which took many hours to develop. Then we got another one, we sliding like this for a few hours from the Tokyo session. We got an upside break. I definitely will watch for the upside for the bullish opportunities on the gold, and potential for today we can see the retest of the 1797. The bigger level which might be in the play is still sitting at 1813. So definitely watch for buying opportunities on the gold. Lots of the patterns, lots of the daily trend is still upside. So watch for the buying opportunities, and we got a pretty good patterns in the play since yesterday and today morning. Like this very flat control, very controlled downside channeling mode with lots of overlappings on the first bigger channel, the smaller channel, same thing, and then we got a breakouts of here and this here. So definitely watch for this upside movement.